What is good, everyone? We are out here, it's freedom time. We're hitting up a waterfall down south. We're gonna try and fly some FPV. And our first obstacle of the day is this little canyon looking thing. We'll do a little threading through here. A lot of obstacles, hope I don't crash. And yeah, I'm recently recovering from a $300 crash, so.
And a knee injury.
Yeah, let's not talk about that. I ate shit before I just got here. But yeah, we're gonna try and send it. The weather's looking bad. It's windy as, it's rainy. Horrible for drone conditions, but let's get this shot on the way first and let's go. So we are at the waterfall right now. It is a bit of a hike to get here. Like I'm climbing over rocks. Hope you can hear me. Waterfall's here. We got some amazing floats today. It looks beautiful. We're gonna try and get our front on shot. Just like do some photography. Hopefully we can get a nice front on, get a cool shot. Maybe get the drone behind the waterfall. Maybe get on this rock. We're trying to work it out right now, but yeah man, amazing place. We got some great flow. Alright guys, we may or may not send the quad. There's a whole ton of water everywhere, so a bit anxious about that. But can we send the drone?
Yes sir!
I don't know man, we might play a bit safe. There's a lot of spray everywhere. We'll see man, we'll see. But this is a sick spot. Hope you enjoyed these photos. Pretty good spot here to sit. And yeah, it's beauty. That was a ridiculous flight. Holy shit, I nearly crashed. I clipped a tree. That could have been another, I don't know, $700 gone. But thank God, she's all right. Unfortunately, I didn't get the waterfall dive that great, but I feel like the waterfall's not that high and there's so much shit everywhere, not great for dives. And look, I'm not even mad, bro. I don't want to fucking lose the drone. So yeah, man, hope you enjoyed that footage. Last stop, we're gonna try to get some bangers behind the waterfall, maybe fly the drone there, and maybe really wet. We'll see. Now we just gotta climb over all this shit and get behind the waterfall. Alright man, we are in heaven right now. This is crazy. Show us some of these bangers. Oh my god. Look at this shit man, straight at the camera. I don't even know if it focused, but that's crazy man. That is insane. Wow. Alright, so if you see that last shot, I low-key crashed. God damn it. Yeah, just going a bit too fast and there's like a tiny crack. I low-key panicked and we cannot afford that in the future. I'm pretty sure we're still alive and well, but yeah, dumb mistake. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the adventure. If you enjoyed the content, subscribe, leave a like, and catch you guys in the next one.